Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel yogurt. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Begin by combining the sugar and water in a saucepan over medium heat. Cook without stirring until the mixture turns a beautiful amber color. Then, gently warm the heavy cream in a separate pan. Once the caramel is ready, slowly whisk in the warm cream until it's smooth and fully incorporated. This creates your delicious caramel base. Now that your caramel sauce is ready, let's prepare the yogurt. For the best results, use a plain, unsweetened yogurt, such as Greek yogurt, which offers a thick and creamy texture. It's crucial to let your caramel sauce cool down completely to room temperature before combining it with the yogurt. This prevents the yogurt from splitting or becoming too thin. Once cooled, gently fold the caramel sauce into the yogurt using a spatula until it's evenly distributed and beautifully swirled. Avoid overmixing to maintain the yogurt's texture. To elevate your caramel yogurt, consider adding a small pinch of sea salt to the caramel sauce while it's still warm. This simple addition truly enhances the caramel's rich flavor and balances the sweetness. A dash of vanilla extract can also introduce a lovely aromatic note. Once your caramel yogurt is perfectly mixed, transfer it to an airtight container. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, making it a wonderful make-ahead treat. Enjoy it chilled for the best experience. Your homemade caramel yogurt is now ready to enjoy. There are so many delicious ways to serve it. Try it with a topping of fresh berries, a crunchy granola, or a sprinkle of toasted nuts for added texture. It makes a fantastic breakfast, a satisfying snack, or even a light, elegant dessert. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. It's a versatile treat you'll want to make again and again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.